Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use line tools and how to make line by arc hole on it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now here select Plane White. Now go to Line Tools and draw the from origin. Now here select. Now go to make arc. Go to this point and make arc. Now select and select here. Now give the dimension. This line dimension 20 and this line and this arc distance 20. Okay. Now go to select. Now go to again line and draw the hair, horizontal line, vertical line and horizontal and vertical. Now here make arc. Now select vertical and select horizontal and select vertical and horizontal. Okay. Now just move here, this point move. Now select this line horizontal. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 40 and this line dimension 5. Now this line and this are distance 30. Now this point and this line distance 30. Okay. This point control this point vertical. This line control this line and this line and this line equal. Okay. Now go to again draw the circle here. Two circle draw and give the below this circle 40 and this circle below 20. Okay. Now this point control this point vertical. Now this point and this point distance 50. Okay. Select. Now go to center line for construction and midline. Now just select here. Now again center line and midline, mid center line from origin. Okay, now draw again here. This point and this point select and again. Now select here. Okay. Now go to again line tools rectangle as you wish. I am going to select rectangle, corner rectangle select. Now draw the vertical distance 40 and give the horizontal distance 50. Okay, now select. Now go to line 2 select for construction and midline. Now draw the center line here. Now draw the circle here midpoint. Draw the circle below 20. Now draw the center line for construction. Here draw the midline, mid center line. And draw the again here for construction mid center line from circle midpoint. Okay. Now give the dimension this point and this line distance or select. Now again draw the hair line tools. Now select hair. Now draw the hair line. Select. Now here make the arc. Now draw the circle here. Give the below this circle radius 15 and this circle below 8 radius 16. Okay. This line and this are distance 40. Okay. Now this point and this line distance 100. Okay. Now this point control this point. This point control this point vertical. This line midpoint control this point vertical. This line midpoint control this point horizontal. Okay. This point control this point horizontal. Okay. Make our job. Now I am going to moderate dimension. Now I have this point control this point horizontal. Okay. Okay. Make our job. How to save this file? Go to file and save as. Now go to desktop. Now add name is Sketch-03. Save. Okay. Now go to again file and save as. Now you can here select PDF. In new to dimension, moderate, decorate. Okay. Thank you all everyone. Share and like. If you have any ask, you can write comment box. If you want to learn SolidWorks from CAD CAM Solution BD, you can join anywhere.